Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. So, let us discuss today comparing the programming languages. So, here are the programming languages. So, the programming languages comes in, let's consider three of the mainstream languages today. When you say mainstream, these are the uh, sought after programming languages today. So, as we have discussed, we have the JavaScript, Python, and Java. JavaScript is for the web page uh, automation and making pages, website dynamic. So web pages today is one of the uh, medium because most of the businesses digital marketing is done on the web page. So automating a web page is very vital in many businesses. Another is Python. Python is for machine learning and for AI. That is also a object-oriented. Uh, Java is also for system programming. So the factors that we compare these three are we have in terms of use. JavaScript, side scripting, server-side programming, the Node.js. So this will automate mobile, your cell phone, and desktop app. No? So it will going to synchronize development. Game development, building a web application with Reads or Angular. No? So in terms of Python, data science, machine learning, web development. So basically, they can do the same thing, but this is an option. Automation, scientific, example data analysis, no? With pandas and NumPy. So there are a programmer who wants Python for the new generation, and also JavaScript for web developer. Another thing for system is Java for Android app development. So this is a reusability concept of the brain. Development enterprise software. So that means large system like like system, big system, okay, for desktop connecting them, databases, Oracle. So this is a very vital application in terms of use. So it depends on your application. Where you are, you can use for large programming Java, for machine learning and automation, scientific Python, web digital marketing, so JavaScript. In terms of error, JavaScript, so try catch block, so it can handle the error in this way. It's more on functions. This is the error handler. In Python, try except blocks and error, almost the same, no? Handling error. No? So citation, so that one, okay. And then for Java, try catch. So they are similar, no? But this one is more on the large, no? Large scale. They are the same. Actually, basically, they are the same. No? In terms of ease of use, so user friendly is the main thing today. No? So JavaScript, dynamic typing, flexible syntax extension, libraries, no? Like jQuery. So for the web development, this is actually there are many web page development, web HTML, CSS, we have the um, even Word, no? You can use it. But this one would stand out, not the JavaScript in terms of high level up. So Python is very easy to use. No? It has a new programming language actually, but many like to use it. No? Java, uh, Java actually acquired by Oracle. Statically, stat- statically typed verbose syntax. So that's the problem with Java. It's a very big code sometimes, no? But once you done it, you can reuse it. So that's right once, once everywhere, no? That's Java. You have your one effort and then you can use it. Standard libraries and frameworks. Spring Hibernate, example, building simple Android app with Android. There's already a template. No? So very easy to use Java to create what we call app. No? Syndication, first Java. So these are the our reference. No? So that's how we compare the three programming languages in terms of use, ease of use, in terms of error handling, and then in terms of success. No? Okay, we will continue the next segment. Thank you for staying with us. No? Bye bye.